Meaning of easily.
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 Easily. Easily is an adverb that denotes something happening or being done with ease, without much difficulty or effort. It implies that the task or action is not complicated and can be accomplished without encountering significant obstacles. When we use the word easily, we are expressing that something can be done without requiring a lot of time, energy, or resources. Additionally, it suggests that the likelihood of success is high and the outcome will be favorable. Therefore, the word easily conveys efficiency, simplicity, and smoothness in completing a task or action.